What happens when curiosity meets innovation? Over the past 2 bootcamps, hundreds of young innovators came together to explore ideas, build solutions, and challenge what's possible. They learned, they collaborated, they innovated, and they pitched bold ideas for the future. Now it's your turn. The UAE Innovation and AI Bootcamp is coming to IIT Delhi, Abu Dhabi. Discover emerging technologies, solve real-world challenges, work with leading experts, transform ideas into impact. A 3-day experience designed for the next generation of leaders, thinkers, and innovators. 6th to the 8th of July 2026. 3 days, unlimited possibilities. Register now